IT Kitchen. Today we're going to have a look at two types of 3D printing. Here I've got a 3D print pen. It's the same as a 3D printer. It's got the nozzle at the front there, which is kind of the same nozzle, but the intelligence, as it were, or lack of it, is with me to control it. So in a way this is, as you'll see, it's more like 3D crafting really, or 3D writing, or 3D sculpture if you go in 3 dimensions. So I'm going to just do 2 dimensions because I'm not very crafty. And start it off. So just like a 3D printer, there's the extruder and the filament is coming out. It would be useful to have a battery operated one because all this gets muddled up. But I'm going to try and make a star here. So let's see if I can. Let me stop it extruding for a minute. Okay, it's not such a neat experience as 3D printer. Here we go then. And well, I'm sure somebody. It's a bit like icing actually. It's a bit like icing, as you'll see. So I'm going to try and make a star. Here we go. Right. Bear with me. So here we go. It is just like being in the kitchen. It's a bit like cooking. I say putting icing on. Okay, there's my outline of the star. And just fill it in a little bit. There we go. Do you want to come in and have a little look? I feel like Keith Floyd. Actually, where's my glass of wine? It's Christmas as well. Okay, there is my star. Let's have a look. Let's get that off. So I'm not very artistic. I'm not very crafty, as it were. So this is really craft. There's my 3D. It's made quite quickly, but it's not that brilliant, is it? There's one I did earlier. It being craft, it's not that dissimilar, but it's unique. Each one is unique. Each one's different because it's done there and then in real time, designed and made in the same action. So something that's just finished in my oven over there. So if we pop across the kitchen, let's have a look at this our oven here. Okay, and here's one that's just come out of the oven, just recently baked, and let me get them off the baking tray off of our 3D printer, where the intelligence is of course done by a computer and a program. So here's one I made just now. It's a little star, and just to demonstrate that rather than making them one at a time, you can make them 2 at a time, and they're all the same basically. It's manufacturing. 3D printers and manufacturing, fabrication, and here are 2 that I did earlier. One I used with a design program, put a name on it, and another one the same, because it's the same design, just bigger. Okay, thank you for watching IT Kitchen.